What are you doing, Pops?
Wiping down your inheritance.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Cleaning her off. Just got done adjusting the front and rear coils. It was set up for the autocross, LS Fest. So I adjusted them for street use now.
Nice and comfy for your bum now?
Hopefully.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Yep. Cleaning her off.
What do you got going on down here?
What do you want to know? I'm cleaning off my performance rear end. 9-inch.
Ford 9-inch rear.
Ford 9-inch rear, yeah. Yep. Cleaning her off.
How about you tell everyone about your rear suspension? What are you rocking?
I am rocking, well, for right now, I am rocking the QA1 coilovers, the double adjustable, which is hooked up to my Quick Performance 9-inch Ford, of course.
How about your rear brakes?
Rear brakes are Willwood, 4-piston caliper, Willwoods, stainless flexible hoses. Got the crossbar way up top here. You can barely see it behind the tank zinc gas tank.
Now, what's different from your frame than a regular Chevelle?
This is boxed. The frame is, I bought the kit from a place in Canada. HPI, I think that was the name. They were the only one back then that was doing frame kits. CNC machine made for A-bodies. K-bracing, as you can see. Ties everything. Makes it much stronger, rigid.
What is this here?
That is the transmission cooler. Has an electric fan on top to keep my monster transmission, my 4L70E, cool.
How about we bring the car down? Show the viewers what's up with this car. Power plant. What are we looking at here?
LS3 crate engine with the Holley accessory drive kit. Spectra cold air intake.
Where's the crate engine from?
Jegs.
Jegs.
Yep.
What are you keeping? How are you keeping this engine cool? What are you using here?
Cold case radiator. Got the radiator and the fans from those guys, cold case. I believe they're in Pennsylvania.
Stainless works headers.
Stainless works header, yep.
Into the H pipes.
Yep.
Shaped firewall.
Yep. Willwood master cylinder with a tough stuff booster. Hurst line lock. Steel, everything's steel. Inner fenders are steel, hood steel, fenders, all steel.
Steel body.
Steel body. Everything that was chrome was powder coated black.
What kind of wheels are these?
Foos, 18-inch knuckles, Foos knuckles.
Foos knuckle wheels.
Yeah, powder coated black.
6-piston calipers in the front.
Yeah.
What's going on in your interior here?
Interior, I'm kind of weird on that one. It's like kind of stock, but not. The dashboard, the dash pad is original, but the dash is Dakota Digital. Got the race Corbo seats with the race equip harness, 5-point harness. Stock looking center console, which has the shift works ratcheting horseshoe.
Nice roll cage.
Roll cage, yep. The guys at the body shop, Joe Q's body shop, put this in for me.
Yeah, it is bolted.
It's
It's not
bolted.
welded.
No, it's bolted, so if I want to take it out later on. It's got the bed liner like underneath, and then I just put the sound deadener, Eastwood X-Mac sound deadener, mainly for heat. It gets super hot here.
Electric windows too.
Oh yeah, power. Yep, I put power windows in it. All 4. I got the power locks, but they're not hooked up right now with the remote start. Lock trunk.
Bed lined.
Yeah, it's been bed lined. I mean, it's original. Didn't replace anything back here as far as metal wise. Besides the battery, the yellow top Optimum in the trunk. I have a little secret compartment here. Bah. Just easy access for a fuel pump and sender unit, so I don't have to drop the tank. Pop everything off that right there. Nice little feature, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Hope you enjoyed the quick rundown of the car. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll be putting out new footage next week. First annual Vets for Vets car show will be happening. And like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.